Okay, and here we are again. So all you have to do when signing up for a CPA network is just choose one. You read a little bit about it, and then you can go ahead and click on this right here. We're still in the same deal from the other one. Okay, and then get campaigns, earn more with our access to our top converting campaigns from our blogs. You see the click me now here. So on this one here, get campaigns, learn more. Okay, join the affiliate network in the world, start now. Okay, and then which best describes you? I need an account. And then here you go, you put in your name, your last name, email address, password, confirm your password, your CAPTCHA, and then continue. Okay, and just fill out the information. Make sure you put your right information in here so that you can confirm and get with it and receive the confirmation emails. And that's basically all there is to it. It's real simple. Just keep things simple. Okay, but I would go with offervault.com to start out with. It's the easiest one, I think, that would be for a beginner to get involved with. They pay out just like the other advertisers, basically. Some of them have campaigns and different things. Just have to do your research on that part. Okay, let's move on.